Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can easily install the Kadence theme in your WordPress website. I want to add Kadence theme for this website. So I am going to the dashboard. Then I am going to the appearance section from the left side, and after that click on themes. Here you have to click on add new theme, this button. After clicking here, search here with Kadence. I am writing here Kadence. This is the theme Kadence. So I am clicking on this theme. After that I am clicking on install. After installation I will get the activate button. I already installed and activated Kadence theme. Let's visit my home page. Is there any change? Okay. So right now this design is coming from Kadence theme. Now I need to install the template. To install the template, the guide here. Get started with AI powered website. Install AI starter templates. I am going to install it. After that, they will give me two options. Activate Kadence AI starter template or use classic starter template. I want to go with classic starter template. After that, they already have lots of pre-built theme. Which one you like, you may use. But all of the themes are not free here. So I have to select only free themes. For this, I have to click on this option, free and premium. In the right side arrow icon, I will select free only. So I am selecting free only. After that, which theme I am getting here, all are free. So I have to select any one. Let me check which one I like to install for this website. I am going one by one. Let's see which one would be perfect. Okay. I think this one is the perfect. I want to use this one, web agency. So click on this template or which one you like. Just click above that template. After that, there has a color guideline. If you wish, you can change, but I don't want to change. I want to use their default color system. I'm clicking on next here. Even you can click on next here also. Anyone. I'm clicking here. After that, I have two options, import full site or import select page. I want to import full site, and below they have advanced settings. I'm clicking on the right arrow icon, and there has two options, import customizer settings, import widget. By default both option is enabled, so I want to keep it as it is. I'm clicking the next again. Here showing Kadence block plugin is required, so I am going back to the plugin section in my website. Is there has Kadence block? No, I didn't install Kadence block, so I want to add new plugin and searching here with Kadence. This is the Kadence block plugin, Gutenberg block with AI by Kadence WP page builder feature. Click on install now. After that, click on activate. So I already installed Kadence block plugin. Next, I'm giving refresh here. So after giving the refresh, here it's showing Kadence block is already active. Now click on finish and launch. After that, they will give a pop-up start import. So click on start import. It's just importing all of the content from the demo template. Just wait few moments. The template already successfully installed. So here it's showing me go to my pages or see my site. I'm clicking on see my site. Let's see, my website already updated with the theme. If you want to change anything from the header or footer section, this section, just you have to click on this customize option. After clicking, you will get header and footer option. So if you want to change anything on header, just click here and you will get here like logo. If you want to change the logo, just click here on settings and you can upload your logo here. It will be display here. Same way, if you want to change the navigation, just click on primary navigation settings and you can customize it. So you should go one by one. You can customize your WordPress website very easily without anyone help. I believe after watching this tutorial, you can easily install Kadence theme for your WordPress website. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and uploading, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.